Trixie, may alam ka? Paano?
Yes, Mom. So you shouldn't be accusing my mom. Because I know exactly where she was when the crime happened.
Kung ganon, nasan si Mrs. Nano nung gabi ng krimen?
Trixie, huwag ka na makialam dito. Bakit kayo nandito?
Mabuti na rin na nandito kayo. Para marinig niyo kung ano yung totoo. Imposibleng nandun si Mom sa house si Attorney Meredith. Because the entire time, nasa Death by Decaf Cafe siya.
How did you know this?
I asked Dad and Tito Ivan for help. Para malaman namin kung ano yung talagang totoo. Kakadating mo lang? Where have you been?
Imposibleng nasa crime scene si Ma'am nung gabing mapatay si Attorney Meredith.
Paalala ha, ako nanay dito.
What do you mean?
Hey! Where are you going? May takeout ako!
May dalang takeout si Mom from Death by Decaf Cafe. Dad, samahan mo ako. Puntahan natin yung Death by Decaf. Baka nandun yung sagot para maklear natin yung pangalan ni Mom.
And how can you be so sure that your mom was at the cafe when the crime happened?
Kinontak ni Dad si Tito Ivan to find evidence from Death by Decaf.
Nakuha na namin yung CCTV footage, di ba?
Kasama namin ngayon ang staff ng Death by Decaf Cafe. Siya at ang CCTV footage na ipinagkatiwala ng manager ng cafe. Siya ang makakapagpatunay that Mrs. Patricia Engano was at the cafe when the crime took place.
Yes po. Nasa Death by Decaf po si Queen Patricia nung gabing yon. Welcome to Death by Decaf Cafe. May I take your order, ma'am? So you'll be having killer cappuccino ice and murderous mac and cheese. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Patricia Engano. Patricia Engano? Oh my gosh. Ganda! Hello, Patricia. Ganda ni Ma'am Patricia. Patricia Engano. Patricia Engano. Here's your order, Queen. At ito rin po yung card nyo and grabe. Hindi po ako makapaniwalang andito po kayo. Pwede mo makipag-selfie sa inyo, Miss Patricia. Selfie lang po. Sige po.
Andyan sa OR na yan, ang date at time na nandun ako sa Death by Decaf Cafe. Nung una, hindi ko alam. paano ko sasabihin. Because I didn't want anyone to know how lonely I was. But I have no choice now because I have to tell the truth.